Today, I want to present you ZcoreAI, the app that I developed and that I use to spot undervalued or overvalued stocks on every time frame. I built this tool because I was manually going through TradingView over all my stocks on each time frame and checking manually if there was some opportunity there. It is very time consuming and annoying to do. I was missing a lot of good opportunities and trade. So here it is, ZcoreAI. It is very simple to use. You can set the display mode simple or expert. You just set the tickers that you want the scan to run on. For example, I can add Robinhood, Apple. I can save my ticker list to get it next time. And the last thing to set is the time frames. You can choose very easily which time frame you want to run the scan on, and then you're ready. Just run the scan. So here it is. We get in 5 seconds a very good overview of all of our tickers, and we can see exactly which stocks on which time frame, which one is oversold or overbought. This is very easy and practical, especially when the market open. You can just run the scan and you get all the possible trade ID in a few seconds without even having to open a single chart. So if you're interested, you can try the limited free version. And if you want to upgrade to the full version, we have 2 memberships, the Pro and the Ultra, with both 1 month free trial. So you can trade for 1 month, cancel anytime without having to pay anything. That's it. I hope that you love the tool and you use it every day like I do, and that it can help to get your trading to the next level.